Hello friends, welcome to CWJ. இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஜூன் மந்தோட டாப் 100 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் நம்ம ஃபுல்லாக பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம வீடியோ கோர்ஸ் 699 ஆஃபர் போயிட்டுருக்கு. சரஸ்வதி பூஜைக்கான ஆஃபர் வாங்கி பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ அப்படி டக்கு போயிடலாமா? Go to the first question. Which ministry has signed MOU with SADBA to engage SADBA as implementation agency for PM Swanidhi? So the answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Second question, Rajprabha is the festival celebrated in which Indian state? எந்த ஸ்டேட்ல வந்து இந்த ஃபெஸ்டிவலை கொண்டாடுறாங்க? Odisha. Next question, Indian Railways will offer passengers two-word class airports like Swanky railway stations by December 2020. Where does those two stations construction located? So இதோட constructions எங்க இருக்குன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So both A and C, அதாவது ஹபிகஞ்ச் அப்படின்ற இடத்துலையும் காந்திநகர்ன்ற இடத்துலையும் இருக்கு. India attended the 32nd Eurasian Group on EAG Plenary Virtual Meet 2020 led by FATF recently. Where is the HQ of FATF located? அதாவது இதோட headquarters எங்க இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So answer is Paris. Parisல இருக்கா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Name the country which has committed 200 million euros to support India's COVID response. அதாவது எந்த country வந்து சப்போர்ட் பண்றாங்கன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So the answer is France. According to UN's report titled Global Status Report on Preventing Violence Against Children 2020, how many children suffers violence annually due to inability of countries? So எவ்வளோ childrens வந்து இதில் சஃபர் ஆகுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So the answer is 1 billion. Next question. As per report titled Global Trends Forced Displacement in 2019, nearly 79.5 million people forcibly displaced globally at the end of 2019. Named the organization which released the report. In the organization இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நியூஸை ரிலீஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Next question. RBI has increased the withdrawal limit of Mumbai headquartered PMC Bank depositors to rupees. எவ்வளோ rupees? 1 lakh. DXIM Bank has extended line of credit worth USD 20.10 million for construction of hospital to which country? Answer is Nicaragua. 10th question, which bank has partnered with Hyundai Motor to launch first online auto retail financing platform Click to Buy? இந்த பேங்க் இவங்களோட பார்ட்னர்ஷிப் வச்சிருக்காங்க. HDFC. ஸோ லோன் வாங்கிக்கலாம். Name the company which has become India's first to hit 11 trillion rupees market capitalization. The company Reliance Industries Limited. உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், அம்பானி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy for 4 years with effect from June 22, 2020? Appoint பண்ணா Urjit Patel. Who heads the committee formed by NITI Aayog to develop job platform for migrant laborers and others? So யார் தலைமையில் இதெல்லாம் நடந்துச்சுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. அமிதாப் கண்ட். What is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in world's richest person list as per Bloomberg Billionaires Index? அதாவது முகேஷ் அம்பானி எத்தனாவது ரேங்க்ல இருக்காங்க? 9th ரேங்க்ல இருக்காரு. Next, which Indian has been elected as member of ITF World Tennis Tour Men's Panel representing the Oceania zone? So the answer will be Nikki Kalyanda Punacha. Next question. Vidyaben Shah, who passed away recently, is a Padma Shri recipient. Which field? எந்த ஃபீல்டில் அவங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா? Social work. The World Refugee Day was observed annually on June 20. What's the theme for 2020? அதாவது இந்த வருஷத்தோட தீம் என்னன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. The theme will be Every Action Counts. ஸோ நீங்கள் பண்ணுற செயல்லாம் கவுண்ட் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும்னு நினச்சிக்கோங்க. Which edition of National Reading Day was celebrated on June 19, 2020? எந்த எடிஷனை வந்து கொண்டாடி இருக்காங்க? 25th edition நினச்சிக்கோங்க. Which ministry has launched Satyabama portal which was developed by National Informatics Center? So, எந்த ministry இதை launch பண்ணிருக்காங்க? Ministry of Mines. Next, how many rupees was sanctioned by central government for augmentation of healthcare facilities in north eastern states? இப்போ எவ்வளோ ருபீஸ் வந்து இவங்களுக்கு சாங்ஷன் ஆயிருக்குன்னா 190 crores. Which PSU has partnered with NIT Ayog's Atal Innovation Mission to boost innovation ecosystem in India? So, இவங்களோட யார் பார்ட்னர்ஷிப் வச்சிருக்காங்க? Coal India Limited, Coal. Next, Ministry of Finance has released the first installment of 15,187.50 crore 15th Finance Commission grants to rural local bodies for FY21 recently. Who is the chairman of 15th Finance Commissioner? So, இவங்களோட 15th Commission கேட்டிருக்காங்க NK Singh. Which IIT has partnered with United Nations World Food Programme India to offer research-based solutions to storage supply of food grains? So, இவங்களோட பார்ட்னர்ஷிப் டெல்லி, IIT Delhi. Which state has signed Tripartite agreement with Power Grid and EDICAL to set up smart classrooms in schools? In the state, smart class, Rajasthan. Narendra Modi has launched rupees 50 crore Garib Kalyan Rojan Abhiyan to boost employment and livelihood for migrant workers recently. Which is the nodal ministry for the implementation of the scheme? இவங்களோட nodal ministry என்னது? Rural Development Ministry. Name the bank which collaborated with Afford Plan to launch co-branded health card called Swachh Card. In the bank? Yes Bank. Swachh, yes. Kolkata-based UCO Bank has partnered with which insurance company to offer various insurance products for its customers? The answer is all the above. So, எல்லாருமே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Tata Sons Natarajan Chandrasekaran has been renominated as a part-time non-official director on RBI Central Board recently. RBI Central Board comprises of how many members? மொத்தம் இதில் எத்தனை members இருக்கான்னு கேட்குறாங்க. 21. ஈஸியாக நான் வச்சுக்கலாம். T. Tabishankar was appointed as the chairman of Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services with effect from 15th May 2020. Where is the headquarters of? So, இதோட headquarters என்னன்னு கேட்குறாங்க மும்பை. ஸோ மேக்ஸிமம் எல்லாமே மும்பை நம்ம சின்ன வயசில் படிச்சிருக்கோம். Namaste Nyachme was selected as the president of which country recently? Brunei. Who has won 2020 Peace Prize of the German Book Trade? So, Peace Prize யார் வாங்கியிருக்கா? Amartya Sen. What is the rank of India in World Justice Project Rule of Law Index 2020? ஸோ நம்மளோட ரேங்க் என்ன ஜஸ்டிஸ் ப்ராஜெக்டில் எத்தனாவது ரேங்க்ல இருக்கோம்னா 69th ரேங்க்ல இருக்கோம். What is the rank of BSE among world's largest stock exchanges in terms of cumulative market capitalization of all companies in the platform as per data from the World Federation of Exchanges? What is the rank? இதோட ரேங்க் என்னன்னா 10th rank. ISRO has received a patent for its liquid cooling and heating garment for astronauts to use in space. By which year ISRO plans to send humans to space? Gaganyaan project. So, இந்த வருஷம் ஹியூமன் ஸ்பேஸ் கண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா 2022ல நம்மளாம் போகிறோம். Who authored the book titled Legend of Suheldev, the king who saved India? So, இதோட ஆத்தர் யாரு? Amish Tripathi. Which state among larger states has ranked top in the State Food Safety Index of 2019 to 20 released by FSSAI? State Gujarat. மோடி இருக்க இடம். What is India's rank in Environment Performance Index 2020 released jointly by Yale University and Columbia University? இதோட ரேங்க் என்ன? 168. The Abu Dhabi Investment Authority has brought dash percentage stake in Jio platforms for rupees 5,863.50 crores. So, எவ்வளோ? 1.16. The scientist at International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials has developed magnetocaloric material for the treatment of which disease? எந்த டிசீஸ்க்காக இதை டெவலப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? கேன்சர். தெரிஞ்சது நிறையா கேன்சர் தான் வரும். The World Archery has postponed 2020 World Archery Field Championships to 2022. Where is headquarters of World Archery located? ஸோ மாற்றிருக்காங்களா, அதோட ஹெட்குவார்ட்டர்ஸ் எங்கே இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. லவ்சனே. Salwa Eid Nasser, who is in news recently, is associated with which sport? அவர் வந்து எந்த ஸ்போர்ட்டில் அசோசியேட் கேட்குறாங்க. 400 meter running. Ved Prakash Mara, who passed away recently, is a former governor of which state? In the state? All A, B and C. Mizoram, Manipur, Jharkhand. Chiranjeevi Sarja, who passed away recently, is a renowned actor. Remember, he is an actor. The World Oceans Day is observed every year on June 8. What is the theme for this year? நம்மளோட இந்த வருஷம் theme என்ன? Innovation for a sustainable ocean. The Brain Tumor Day observed annually on June 8. Last month June 8 ன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Which color ribbon is the international symbol for the solidarity with brain tumor patient? Grey color. Brain gray. The theme of World Food Safety Day 2020 is Food Safety, Everyone's Business. The day was celebrated every year on June 7th. Name the app which is India's first indigenous wireless psychological parameters monitoring system for the COVID-19 affected patients. So, the answer COVID Beep. Name the app which was launched by Karnataka along with Varuna Mitra web portal to provide real-time information and alerts on weather, rainfall, flooding. So, in the app, Meha Sandesha. Which state has launched the online Shamik Employment Exchange? Raj Kaushal portal recently. So, யார் இதை கிரியேட் பண்ணது? ராஜஸ்தான். லாஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தோம் ராஜஸ்தான்னு ஒரு ஆன்சர் வந்தது. Name the company which has launched Sodar app to help people maintain social distancing. Sodarன்ற ஆப்பை யார் கிரியேட் பண்ணா? இந்த கம்பெனி கூகுள். ஸோ நமக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும், கூகுள் தான் மேக்ஸிமம் எல்லாம் கிரியேட் பண்ணுது. India assured to reconstruct 56 schools in which country? Wow. Nepal. 56 schools அப்போ நேபாளில் வரப்போகுது. Quezon was declared as the summer capital of which state? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next, commands at Chandigarh and Guwahati recently. Where is HQ of ITBP located? எங்க இருக்கு? New Delhi. It's our capital. India planned to launch its first coal trading platform, Coal Exchange. Who is the present coal minister? இப்போ உள்ள coal minister யாரு? Pralhad Joshi. World Bank has granted rupees 1,950 crore to which state to combat COVID-19? The state West Bengal. Name the digital payment platform which has partnered with ICICI Lombard to launch first of its kind travel insurance and domestic trip insurance. So, in the digital platform, PhonePe. What will be the growth of India in FY 2020-21 as per World Bank's Global Economic Prospect 2020? இதோட growth என்ன? 3.2%. According to World Bank report, global economy will contract by %% in 2020. So, World Bank ஓட report படி எவ்வளோ percentageனா 5.2. Find the digital technology company which has partnered with UNDP for plastic waste management project named Prithvi. So, in the digital technology, Recycle. Which country has signed a MOU with India to develop strong cooperation and promote strategic intervention in the power sector? So, இந்த country வந்து MOU send பண்ணிருக்காங்க இந்தியாவோட? Denmark. Name the pod which has designed, developed and inducted by Indian Air Force for evacuation of critical patients with infectious disease. So, answer is ARPAT. Komati Marimuthu, who is news recently, is associated with which sport event? So, answer is 800 meter running. Amit Pangal and Vikas Krishnan, who are in news recently, is associated with which sport? இவங்க எந்த ஸ்போர்ட்? பாக்ஸிங். அமித் பங்கல் பாக்ஸ் பண்ணுவார். Former Union Minister Arjun Charan Shetty, who passed away in June 2020, belongs to which state? Odisha. Hamza Koya, who passed away recently, is associated with sport. எல்லாமே ஸ்போர்ட் நல்லா பாருங்க. Football. Which state or UT has diverted the forest land to other projects the most according to the MOEFCC annual report 2019-20? The answer is Haryana. How many indigenous sports will be promoted by producing series of special films by MHRD in partnership with Fit India? So totally 10. Which state government has approved the draft ordinance titled Cow Slaughter Prevention Amendment Ordinance 2020 to protect cow from slaughter? Uttar Pradesh. The senior lawmakers from 8 democracies has formed an inter-parliamentary alliance to counter which country? China. What is the amount that was allotted to state government for the year 2020-21 for implementing per drop more crop component of PMKSY scheme? 4,000 crores. Name the robot which was launched by Central Railways to boost the screening and surveillance of passengers. Captain Arjun. Fibri-I developed by Vehan Technologies have been set up to ensure contactless entry. Which is one of railways setups Fibri-I? There is Central Railway. Name the device which was launched by MOS Ministry of Home Affairs G. Krishnan Reddy, which kills viruses and other germs by sterilizing, sanitizing, disinfecting in large areas. Answer is ban பண்ணிருமா எல்லாத்தையும். Who authored the biography of Dadabhai Naroji titled Naroji Pioneer of Indian Nationalism? Dindiyar Patel. Sachin Rajput, who is in news recently, the renowned, he is an actor. Cricketer Matt Moore, who passed away in June 2020, belongs to which country? Cricketer, New Zealand. When was World Elder Abuse Awareness Day observed annually? June 15th. The World Blood Donor Day was observed every year on 14th. What is the theme for this year? Save blood, save life. India's first natural gas trading platform, Indian Gas Exchange, was launched by Dharmendra Pradhan recently. Where is the headquarters of Indian Gas Exchange? New Delhi, it's a capital. EPFO launched multi-location claim settlement facility recently. The EPFO functions under which ministry? In the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs launched the e-office application developed by National Informatics Center recently. CBIC functions under which departments of Finance Ministry? Department of Revenue. Answer. Next, which state or UT has signed 12 MOUs recently to attract investment worth of rupees 16,030 crores? So answer is Maharashtra. PMO state. Manipur government has inaugurated 3 projects undertaken by the State Public Health Engineering Departments recently. Who is the CM of Manipur? Manipur CM Biren Singh. Which state has adopted flatted factory model to ensure the availability of industrial land? In the state adopt பண்ணிருக்காங்க Uttar Pradesh. Which payments bank has launched Suraksha salary account for MSMEs recently? So in the payment bank, Airtel Payments Bank. Next, central government has infused capital of rupees 5,298 crore to which company or organization? So in the company, India Infrastructure Finance Company. The forex reserve of India crossed $dash for the first time as per RBI rate. So evlo 500 billion. Next, which company has appointed as auditor for the next 3 years PMKs? So in the company, Stark and Associates. Muhammad Khalil Abi Galziev resigned from the post of Prime Minister of Kyrgyzstan recently. What is the capital of Kyrgyzstan? Oh, I don't know how to read it properly. Answer is Bishkek. Name the Indian NGO which has won the Biodiversity Award 2020 presented by Prince Albert II of Monaco Foundation. Began Development Society. What is India's rank based on number of nuclear warheads present in a country as per a CIPRI Yearbook 2020? So, India's rank is next. The New Delhi-based Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of which among the following company by McRitchie Investment Private Limited? All the A, B, and C. So, A, B, and C. The International Day of Family Remittances was observed every year on June 16th. And இதோட தீமையை நீங்க படிச்சு வச்சுக்கோ. When was World Wind Day observed annually? June 15th. The 500-year-old submerged temple was found under which river in Odisha recently? Temple எந்த இடத்துல கிடைச்சது? எந்த ரிவர்ல? மகாநதி ரிவர்ல ஒரு submerged உள்ள இறங்கி இருந்த டெம்பிள் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. Chotrax ushrimiensis was discovered in Arunachal Pradesh recently is a variety of which species? ஆக்சுவலாக என்னன்னு கேட்குறாங்க, எனக்கு ரீட் பண்ணவும் வரல. ஃபிஷ், இது வந்து ஒரு ஃபிஷ்ஷோட ஒரு வகை. Name the portal which was launched by West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee to help IT professionals. Name the portal. என்ன portal? Karma Bhoomi. Next. India extended financial aid of rupees 2.33 crore to construct sanitation facility in Pashupatinath temple located in which country? எந்த countryல இந்த கோவில் இருக்கு? Answer is Nepal. Sports Ministry planned to establish Kilo India State Centers of Excellence under the Kilo India scheme to enhance India's performance in Olympics. Who is the present Youth Affairs and Sports Minister? Kiren Rijiju. Next and final question. Andhra Pradesh Finance Minister has presented the state budget of rupees 2.24 lakh crore for the FY 2021 recently. Who is the governor of Andhra Pradesh? Vishwa Bhushan Harichandran. Okay, thank you all.